The one word that I would use to describe the Villa is excellence. And that's excellence in teaching, excellence in the curriculum, excellence in the planning and care for the children, excellence in knowing my child.
You have a community that your child can feel a part of and that you can feel a part of, that you can trust is engaging your children in the way that you would hope they would. And that makes the job of parenting much easier.
If my kids were to describe the Villa in one word, I think they would say fun. They come to school every day just so excited, so happy.
I think I'd describe this school also as nurturing. If questions arise and they have problems, because the groupings feel so small and so sort of centred, they're able to focus on those children.
In one word, I would say community. Everyone here has given us a sense of community, the teachers, the staff, the students, and especially the other parents. Ever since we walked in these doors, that's why we picked this school, because of the sense of community that we have felt.
My one word would be home for the Villa. It's what everybody wants in a home. It's a family, it's got your traditions, it's got your values, it has your morals, and it's everything we want